Stoicism and Practical Wisdom, a guide for everyday life. Effective use of time. Time is one of the most precious assets we possess, yet it is often wasted on unimportant activities. To live in alignment with Stoic philosophy, take time to evaluate your daily habits and ensure they reflect your core values and goals. Ask yourself, are the things I'm doing today moving me closer to my ultimate objectives, or are they merely distractions? Redirect your time from activities with little value, such as excessive use of social media or idle chatter, to pursuits that enrich your life. Whether it's strengthening meaningful relationships, improving your skills, or contributing to a greater cause, prioritize what truly matters. Additionally, practice mindfulness. Amid the hustle of daily responsibilities, it's easy to overlook life's meaningful moments. By staying present, you honor the impermanence of time and make each interaction significant. Turning challenges into growth. Life's obstacles are inevitable, but Stoicism teaches us to see them as opportunities to grow. When faced with adversity, remember that each challenge is a chance to enhance your resilience and character. Start small by stepping out of your comfort zone. These incremental acts of bravery, whether addressing a fear or learning a new skill, will build your confidence and prepare you for greater challenges. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, treat them as valuable lessons. Changing your perspective allows you to navigate life's uncertainties with wisdom and poise. Choosing uplifting relationships. The people you surround yourself with greatly influence your mindset and personal development. Be deliberate in cultivating relationships with those who inspire, challenge, and support you in becoming your best self. Equally, consider the value you add to your relationships. Be a source of positivity by offering genuine support, constructive feedback, and mutual accountability. This reciprocal growth strengthens bonds and creates an environment where everyone flourishes. A true Stoic appreciates the significance of a supportive community. Surrounding yourself with uplifting individuals not only enhances your life, but also elevates those around you. Adapting to change is an inevitable part of life, and resisting it only causes unnecessary pain. Instead, perceive change as an opportunity for personal evolution. Life's transitions, whether in relationships, work, or self-improvement, present moments to reassess your priorities and realign your values. Concentrate on what lies within your control and release what is beyond it. Cultivating adaptability, a key Stoic virtue, helps you navigate change without compromising your principles. By framing change as a gateway to growth rather than a loss, you develop gratitude and discover purpose even in uncertain times. Mastering the art of saying no. Saying no is not an act of selfishness, but a declaration of self-care. Protect your time and energy by declining requests, tasks, or commitments that do not align with your objectives. Stoic thinkers emphasize the importance of clear boundaries. Communicate your limits with honesty and respect. This preserves your well-being while enabling you to focus fully on the things that truly matter. By embracing the power of saying no, you demonstrate your commitment to living a life of integrity and purpose.